Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and we have some wonderful fall or autumn designs in our July release. And you can see on this board, a couple of them are part of the mail art series, and these are clear stamp sets that you can use both to make your greeting cards and also decorate the envelopes. You can see here the frame design is going to give you a place for the postage stamp. Over here, this beautiful card is from a clear stamp set, and we've decorated it with some beautiful embossing powders, and you can kind of see some of the sparkle there as the light hits it. So the pop frame dies work perfectly with it, and we're using the Autumn Fling embossing kit that had lots of beautiful sparkle to it. And you can see all of the different colors. And on this one, we added some of the fantastic glitter. That fireside red was just what we needed, and I think one of the green glitters there as well. Maybe it was the mistletoe. So there's some fun designs, and here's some whimsical owls that are all bundled up together. So hope you enjoy some of our new autumn stamps for our July release. Thanks for watching.